Alright, YouTube, what's going on, guys? I just bought me a 2012 Volkswagen Passat TDI. The adblue slash diesel exhaust fluid light came on, and I went and got me a regular jug at Walmart, the Super Tech version. And what I've done is I also have a funnel. Now, all you have to do to access this stuff is you remove this panel right here, and this is where you fill it up. You unscrew this right here. Okay, so instead of buying those nozzles, instead of buying those Volkswagen things where you screw it on and you press down, that stuff's like $20. There's a lot of videos on YouTube of people doing that and reusing the bottles and pouring this stuff in it and just doing that over and over again. I find that just time consuming, and frankly it's more expensive. I saved $20 by just using this funnel, and it fits in there perfectly like this, and I just pour it in simply like this. I don't want to show the process. I mean, I would, I just don't have two hands. But basically, that's the cheap way to do it. And you'll never have to go and spend $20 on the thing at Volkswagen and one of these. This is $9.98 at Walmart instead of $23 at AutoZone for one of those super brands. This is the same stuff right here. It's approved for all SCR equipped engines. This is an SCR equipped engine. So, Super Tech. This stuff works just fine. This is 2.5 gallons for $10, man. $10. This will get me roughly 7,000 miles. 2.5 gallons, $10. Just don't waste your money on that Volkswagen BS. Go get you one of these. Works just fine. Alright, good luck to you guys. Just wanted to give you guys a good tip. Please subscribe and leave me a like if this helped you out, saved you some money, and good luck with you guys. Thanks. Bye.